Howdy folks, back for another hike. My name is Eric, this is North American Adventures, and thank you for joining me. For today's adventure, we're doing Avenue of the Noble Giants here in Joseph D. Grant County Park, maybe like 20 miles east of San Jose. Nice drive on the road to Mount Hamilton. Not sure how much of the way we made it, but it was a nice drive up into the mountains. We're already at about 2,000 feet, maybe a little less, and we're going up to just under 3,000. But there is a lot of up and down on this hike. It is 10.3 miles, just over 2,000 feet of elevation gain. And as you can see, it starts off here at Joseph D. Grant Lake, I guess. But anyway, it's like 68 right now, maybe even 70. Overcast, but a little bit of sun is peeking through, giving me some warmth. So it should get pretty hot today, but it should be a good one. I'm pushing daylight again today, as usual. Got a bit of a later start than I wanted to, but should be all right. See you in a bit.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world. And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like it was something I won't lose. You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me. I'm not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself. There's a way I see you in this moment. I will hold it all of my life. And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like you was something I won't lose.
Well, howdy folks. I've only been going for about 1.3 miles, but we've almost done like 700 or 800 feet up already, and we got our first view down towards the southeast, I would imagine, into the valley there. The way the mist is sort of at the inside there makes it look super cool, but you can see I've been coming up from over here down by the lake, and it has just been beautiful so far. This area is not too far from Mission Peak, but you can see 3 weeks has done a lot. It's starting to turn green, and it's got a much nicer vibe. I love it here.
Our light was golden, then it was stolen. But I knew the way would see the dawn. The darkness closed in, then it was broken. You always kept me holding on. Look at us now, look at you shine. We're not coming down. Don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now. Look at us now. in the middle of it, magic all around us. I knew one day we'd touch the sun. Our dreams before us, nothing to hold us back. You showed me we are limitless. Look at us now, look at you shine. We're not coming down, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now, look at us now, don't wanna close my eyes. Look at us now, look at us now.
Howdy folks, as you saw there, just had a little sit down, some water, getting a little snack going on. I got about a mile until the turnaround, so I've probably gone like 4 or 5. It's called like Antler's Peak or Point or something like that. So we'll check out the view there and then get back on our way.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings. Take over me, over every rushing memory. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. Sail on with me, up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind. And talk to me, from the lungs of the air your heart is breathing. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. In the grip of your arms, far from where I want to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Alrighty folks, we've made it to the top of Antler Peak here. As you can see, there is like a very thick layer of mist or fog or maybe even smog over the bay here. This is basically San Jose I'm pointing at. Here's the bay area. Really nice view though, because the mist gives like a cool misty mountains sort of vibe all across the other side to the west and then to the south and even over to the east as well. So we're almost at 3,000 feet here. There are definitely some taller peaks surrounding us, as you can see, but I'll have to check those out another day. This is where we're turning around. Got about 5-ish miles back, but it's mostly downhill from here, so it should be nice and easy.
Look outside, painted skies, here comes the light. It's in your eyes. fall asleep. Don't wake up from this dream. Real life scenes playing on repeat. Feel cold all night. The fire burns inside you. Holding on so tight. This is everything. This is everything. This is everything.
Alrighty folks, just got back to the car, got my boots off, about ready to go. My phone died when I had like an hour or a mile and a half or so left, right as I was getting to the beautiful sunset views, as you saw. That was unfortunate, but I made it back totally safe, no problem. Right around sunset now, so should be dark soon. This hike overall was super nice, not very challenging, but the path was, you know, a fire road, so easy to walk on and not too difficult, steep wise, elevation wise, all of that. I would definitely recommend it, and I'll probably come back one day. The only problem is the $6 parking fee, but you know, sometimes that's how they play you. But this has been Eric. This has been North American Adventures, and this has been Avenue of the Noble Giants. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.